see what it does. Right.
Sure. You and Grandma nicked all my bags. I need like a really sturdy one. Yeah, cheers.
Because I put it on me and then they just hang it off.
See you in a bit then.
Yeah.
Not too noisy.
Very well. And you went to put in there, which is a place that a shop that I opened in Spain. But I think they do some. Yeah. And then went there and got some stuff. And then he got some stuff. And then we went to the dollar shop and so it's went all around. I was like, yeah.
started bloody fighting. June tweeted this when he was drunk. Yeah. Don't give up your day job of actually singing. Got some chicken in there. What's it going to do with the chicken? Perhaps I'll do chicken with that potato leaf and bacon. Some chicken in there, easy enough. Because I don't think just that bacon and leek thing and veg will be enough for Dad. Yeah. Of course it. Typing.
context, this is my beautiful angelic dog, Mika. And apparently this is her new name. She's due in like 2 days, so if you want to see what the puppies look like very far. This is my face because my bun is a hot mess and I need to start remodeling it. I've had it since I was 4 years old and I think it's time to start remodeling it. So this is start remodeling my bun. I started looking at my closets, decided to start there. And I found a bunch of bags, which was pretty cool. And I shoved the ones I
That cardboard you just got rid of, I need some strips cut off so that I can wrap around here and keep these all together so they don't tangle.
So you want me to get it out in the bin?
Well, have you got any other? I don't know what else we could use. You've got the other one.
What do you mean?
Well, because I need to keep all the fucking cum. Stop with the same kind of. Yeah, I just want to put something round when I hold these together like this. I need to put something round like that. I don't know. I don't know. You know, right? You were scared.
And then I had no more in a size PPD, and I was like, right until, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna get it, and then I got the hoodie.
Brilliant. This one person up way halfway through the fucking street. Oh, you're definitely getting your fucking lunch now. Yeah, fucking pardon you. You fucking are. Just disrespectful, little bitch. Right. Anyway, lunch.
Wash your hands, you dirty pig.
Wash your hands, you dirty
You
pig.
should be washing them. Dirty.
They
Dirty.
didn't have any onion rings. And they didn't even have any double runners. I even asked Michelle. So I was a little bit upset, but I think it was something else.
Dirty. Dirty.
Big on the tag. Big on the tag. Now just right. Where should we start? And they didn't even have any of them frozen donuts. All the freezer section, nothing in the freezer section at all, nothing. Exactly, where's my ammo? Yeah, the whole freezer section's gone down. There's nothing in the freezers, they're turned off.
They did bought some of them donuts, you know, like Nanny Patty's.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, I think they're in Lidl. Look at Dad's been doing that. Excuse me, Dad. We're going to fight. So yeah, I brought Dad a bag of Skittles. That'll keep nothing. Got to think about your Dad. Bottle of Coke. Might need that this afternoon, really not about. Some Red Bull. Might need that this afternoon. Right. You? And they didn't even have any Kinder Bueno as well.
I thought you'd been
Oh! I bought the same one. Leave alone. I'll find you. That's about it. Oh, some donuts. I bought custard flavours. So I bought full custard donuts. So you didn't have any onion rings, sorry. Trying to rinse. It's actually really muggy out there. Like, is it cooler? No. No.
When I went out to get the post a second ago, it was like windy. It was quite
Yeah, but when you're walking in it, no, that's horrible.
So
It's mug, it's
Friday
like
we should
really
have your
humid.
cable and your
What, Friday?
Oh.
Yeah, it's really humid out there and horrible. I'll be surprised if it doesn't rain this afternoon.
Friday, 4th to the 6th of June, actually, April.
Oh, so it's gone up now. So it's gone from the 3rd to the 4th to the 4th to the 6th. I'm disappointed now.
That ain't going to come today now, is it? The Amazon. Oh no, the postman's been at the Amazon.
Oh, was the postman bin or not?
Yes.
Oh, what is there anything?
No, that was his Carnes and
Carnes?
I
Oh,
ordered from Amazon's. What? I ordered them from Amazon.
sometimes they get tracked to Royal Mail, not just not the parcel man. They can get tracked to Royal Mail.
Are you alright, Munchkins?
They're warm. Oh yeah, did Mum tell you about it?
What was it? Just a plain white cat?
Yeah, just a plain white cat with black ears.
Wasn't that one with the black tail from Costa Rica, is it?
No.
Oh, yeah, I kind of need something to
Any more water? I was going to say, you want to get the space before it goes. Do you want any more water?
Are you going out on your bike today?
No, don't really fancy getting a migraine.
Oh, they've heard, don't they?
It wasn't even that. I've never had a migraine, but it doesn't stop.
You don't want one. Me and Mum can tell you in it, Mum. You don't want one.
Every time I go out my bike routine, I always get the start of the migraine where I get the black spot in the eye.
Yeah, two Nurofen or paracetamol, and it should be gone. Just lie down in the quiet, eyes shut. Did Mum tell you about the one that I had the other day?
No
So,
one tells me anything in this household.
well, so basically the other day I woke
He
up to...
told everybody. I can't believe he didn't tell you.
Well, you were down at the time, but I woke up about 4 o'clock in the morning, 3:30, and I got the black vision, the startleness in my eyes. And of course, I already had this sharp pain in my head, so I knew it was a migraine. And of course, I run downstairs because I thought I was going to be sick. Run downstairs, like I pelted it down the stairs because like, I'm not throwing up down the stairs again like I did when I drank too much. And yeah, when I came back from Alfie's party. So, and I just sat on the toilet crying for half an hour. At one point, I thought I fell asleep on the toilet. Honestly, as you don't want one, not in the snow, not in the. That's
That was
really.
when you were really young.
No, that was when she was drunk. Yeah. Well, it wasn't Mum's fault. It was Rhoda's fault, I think.
No, you were next
As long
door.
as it was with Rhoda.
Who were you with that night?
I think it was Kelly.
Killed Baskin.
Killed her.
Husband waxed him.
Waxed him.
I didn't say waxed him.
What did you say?
Waxed him.
Whacked him.
Whack.
Killed her.
Whack. Crossed him.
He convinced me that it needed
Yeah. Copyright Delos, look at that. Uh-huh.
Please input onto the forum. I think you're really enjoying that situation back in the 11 years.
No. That's where you go, it's level 3 R's.
Like photography.
Yeah, but what level? Well, you can't go down to a level 2 if you've got a level 3, so you have to do level 3.
Please submit your tutorial from the video on the tutorial tab.
I know I need to sort mine out actually. I need to see if Tom's messaged me back actually. I think handing date's Friday. But I think the way they do it is they just download the document off the internet and just mark it. 4 minutes. What we just found, Mum? Here we go.
Yeah, if you go back up to the top and look at the weddings. It's like different headings.
I don't think I'll think that. I'll look
Oh, excuse me. Whew. You back again? What's this?
Adam, can you put that in place in the fridge?
Yeah.
Right, my name, my age, my favourite colour. Rose.
Here we go. Should spin that.
Do it to make a like that.
Here we go. My sister become a dying machine. Nothing. Jesus fucking Christ. Nothing.
Is it 1 year or 2?
Finished. See how wet these are.
It's a shame they're not pursuing it. You might come back to it.
And hit the camera.
Given
Okay. Yeah. Very. It's quite strong, that comfort, in a sense. Right, so they're still pretty damp, so we're going to do a spin only after delicates. When it does.